Okay, so here with me is the Anker Soundcore 2. Now, Anker is a really good brand. I have lots of their products. I've reviewed their power bank on my channel, their wireless charger, and so I just can't wait to see what the Soundcore 2 has to offer. Now, if there's a Soundcore 2, then obviously there's a Soundcore 1. So this is just going to be an unboxing and first impressions video. And then in the full video or the review, we are going to look at how this performs as compared to other speakers that I have, like the JBL Charge 3. And this is currently on sale, so I'm going to be leaving links in the description for where you can get them. So I actually bought two, not one, because, you know, if you can get it at a good price, why not buy one for a gift, or, you know, use it for when, like, you know, like one is spoiled or something of the sort. So let's go straight into the unboxing experience. So in the box, looking at the box, it says Anker Soundcore and Bluetooth enhanced sound, 24-hour playtime, fully waterproof, IPX7, 24-hour playtime. Wow, that's very interesting. I can't wait to confirm that. And on the side, it says the choice of 20 million plus happy users. So let's open it. Okay, so when you open it, it says thanks for choosing Anker. So you can see that clearly here. And then when you take that out, okay, so this says thanks for choosing Anker. Let's see what is in the box. How do I open this? Okay, good. So it looks like it's kind of like a very big manual. Owner's manual. Do people still read manuals nowadays? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And then it has a USB-A to USB cable, you know, USB. It has a USB cable. And then if you're hearing some noise in the background, it's like we are in political party season, like we are in election year. So there's a huge campaign, you know, float which is passing around. So this is the box. So that's all that you get. You get the box and then you get the charging cable. All right, sorry for that very rude interruption. So when you open the box, you get to see a quick survey which asks whether you are happy or not, and if you are happy, there's an action to perform. If you are not, there's another action to perform. These are like standard stuff which come with Anker product. All right, so let's tear the condom wrapper from the speaker, which gives a level of protection, and let's look at the speaker itself. When you touch the speaker, like, it feels very soft to the touch. It feels really good and soft to the touch. Like, it's, and you can tell it's not so heavy. And then this speaker is completely waterproof. And so I like the design of where, you know, you put the charger and the aux cable. And it has the Anker branding on the sides, and, you know, it's really nice. Now next we are going to look at the size comparison of the Anker Bluetooth speaker as compared to the JBL Charge 3. The JBL Charge 3 costs about $100, and I'm going to leave a link in the description as well. And the Anker you can get for about $30 to $40 depending on the price, but I'm going to be leaving all the links for where you can get them at the best prices. So looking at it as compared to the JBL, you can clearly see that the JBL Charge 3 is huge. Like, the Anker is half the size of the JBL Charge 3, and even when you look at it like lengthwise, it's the very same story. The Anker is very small as compared to the JBL Charge 3. But then, does it mean that the JBL Charge 3 is going to far outperform the Anker? Well, we are going to see in my full review. Now, in my full review, I want you guys to tell me what areas of the review you want me to focus on. Would you want me to talk about the battery life, or the speaker quality, or the design, or the waterproofing? Let me know in the comments below. Now, time to do a quick test of, you know, the vibration power of the Anker Bluetooth speaker, you know, because the reason why I want to do this is my JBL Charge 3 really rattles. Like, it vibrates so much that when I put my alphabet tiles on it, it shakes so much. But when I put my Anker here, you can see that it's relatively stable. And yeah, from the sound I'm hearing, it's pretty okay. Now, if you go on Amazon, you can check to see like the Anker. They have this augmented reality thing that has come that you can actually place the Anker in your room and see how it looks like from different angles. Now let's see how pairing is. Pairing is pretty simple. Once you turn on the device and you go on your phone and then you go to Bluetooth and you press the Bluetooth on the Anker, your phone recognizes it immediately and within a second it pairs. So this has been my first impressions and unboxing of the Anker Bluetooth speaker. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Which other Bluetooth speaker within the price range would you recommend? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision when you're making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you do not miss any episode, especially the full review. Thanks, Bebre.